Chef, possible ba yung white sauce na pasta pero walang cream tsaka milk? At dahil catering is life, motherhood is lifer, and TikTok is lifest, possible yan basta maayos na butter yung gagamitin. We're going to use quality butter, that's Anchor salted. Narinig nyo na ba kung ano yung veloute? So isa to sa mga klase ng mga French mother sauce. Meron itong very mild na flavor and angat na angat yung lasa ng butter dito. Kaya importante na quality butter yung gagamitin natin. So first in a pan, we're going to heat up half of the butter, that's around 50 grams. And then we're going to saute the garlic and the onion. Then when it is translucent, we're adding the scallops. Next is we're going to steam the kangkong. Tatakpan lang natin to para malanta. And then kapag okay na siya, halu-haluin mo lang ng konti and then set this aside. Kung gusto mong hiwain ng mas maliit pa yung mga kangkong at isama yung mga stems, then that's fine. Okay, so after setting this aside, we're starting off with low heat. We are going to make a roux. Yan yung base ng mga mother sauce. And yung procedure na to ay parang piniprito mo yung harina. Mga kamari chef, ang normal na measurement dito is equal amount of fat and equal amount of starch. Pero ako, mas gusto ko na mas marami yung butter or yung fat. So what I'm doing is 50 grams or half stick ng Anchor salted butter and then 40 grams ng harina. Do not brown it, pero hahalu-haluin mo siya until maprito siya para maluto talaga yung harina. And then you're going to use chicken stock. Pwede kang magkanaw ng chicken cubes sa mainit na water kung wala kang chicken stock. Tapos lalagyan na natin to ng water. If you don't have a slotted spoon, you can use a wire whisk. Basta kailangan ma-mix mo siya thoroughly para hindi maging lumpy. Tapos check mo yung consistency using the back of the spoon. You can add white pepper or black pepper, pero sa akin gusto ko yung black para mas matapang. And then naglagay din tayo ng lemon pepper because seafood yung idadagdag natin dito or imi-mix in natin. Now for the salt, medyo mag-control tayo because the chicken stock is already salty and your Anchor butter is already salted. Once your veloute is done, you can now mix in the sauteed scallop and kangkong. Taste muna natin mga kamari chef kung okay na ba ito. So simple lang siya talaga mga kamari chef. Napaka-mild ng taste ng scallop. Tapos the Anchor salted butter made it really parang very rich and velvety yung texture. Pero at the same time, even without the cream or the milk, it is creamy. In boiling water, add your pasta and cook according to package instruction. Less 1 minute. For me ganun lang ako. Tapos we're going to strain this off. But we'll leave some pasta water just in case mag-thicken up yung ating veloute. Veloute. Ay, hirap i-pronounce. Tapos imimix na natin yung pasta and our sauce. Ba talaga yung sarap pag Anchor yung butter na ginamit. Ayun lang mga kamari chef. Bye-bye!